Warning. This video was filmed and edited after working a 95-hour week. There are no guarantees this content will be good or entertaining. Viewer discretion is advised.
Welcome back to Bruce City Builds. If you're new here, my name's Marcel. I haven't posted anything in a while because I am in New York filming a TV show, living in a hotel, so I don't have anything to renovate. I'm actually sitting on a suitcase right now to make this vid, so yeah, that's where we're at. I thought I would make a quick little something since it's been a minute, so I came up with a list of things I would change if I was to do it again. It isn't a huge list because I'm pretty happy with how everything has turned out so far, but there are a few things, so I want to talk about it. So let's get right into it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, first thing I want to talk about is painting the exterior brick with a roller. So I've had some pretty polarized comments and opinions about painting the exterior brick white. A lot of people hate it and a lot of people love it. I think there's a lot of purists out there that are like,
why did you paint the brick? Oh my god, la la la.
And I get it. I mean, some people like that natural vibe, but I am not one of those people.
Period. Period. Period.
If I was to buy another brick house, I would definitely paint it again.
Deal with it.
The thing I wouldn't do though is use a roller. I'm kind of glad I went into it blindly, not knowing how hard it was going to be, because it was a killer. But if I knew then what I know now, I would definitely go straight away with the paint sprayer because it just seems like a much faster, easier process. Now that the exterior is out of the way, I'm going to move inside and talk about a few things there. The first thing I would do on the inside would be to get rid of the hall closet instead of painting it. I kind of wanted to embrace the old vintage door that was there, but we never used the hall closet for anything. It's mainly storage for the bathroom, so it's like, there's no point. What I would really like to do is just put up some drywall where that door is and close off that storage for the bathroom, and then we could put in a pocket door for the bathroom. That way it would just open up the space in the bathroom a little bit, because right now it's kind of narrow with the door, so I think it would just kind of fix all the problems, and then we could have like a new wall to hang some artwork in the hallway, and it would be great. Am I gonna do that?
No!
Probably, but not for a while because I still want to work on the basement and do other things, so it'll be down the road. Okay, so moving on. I would make the guest bedroom headboard more of a feature wall. When I first hung up those horizontal 1x2s, it was like perfect, but as we've kind of lived with it, I just feel like the room is missing something. It just feels like too white. So what I want to do is keep the existing 1x2s up on the wall, but I want to paint some kind of like graphic something, so it just makes it a little more interesting and bold and just has more of a point of view. I kept trying to tell myself that it was like a neutral space for our guests to stay in, but I think it just needs a little more pop. Something I'm kind of kicking myself because I literally just finished this project would be to open up the doorway to the staircase. I just feel like it's a little low. Like when I'm coming down the stairs, I feel like the top of the doorway is like right here, even though it's not. It just feels like too close. I just didn't know what was under the plaster there, so if I was to like take it all apart and then realize that I couldn't take it up from like the framing or something, I would just have to re-drywall it and put it back together and make it like how it was. And I was kind of on a time limit because I knew I was coming to New York to do this job, so I was like, whatever, I'll deal with that later if I want to. But yeah, that's something I would like to do in the future as well. Okay, so moving on to the last thing, which would be upstairs. I really wanted to rip out the old tiles and put in a new subfloor. If you watched the upstairs makeover videos, you saw that I tiled over that old patchwork tile. I had a feeling that they were asbestos and I didn't want to go through the whole process of doing asbestos removal and spending like thousands of dollars on that. So I did my research, and I guess you can just tile over old asbestos if you're not disrupting it, and it kind of like seals it in. So that's what I did. If I was to do it all again, I would definitely do like asbestos removal, even though I don't even know if they're asbestos, but I'm just assuming they are. And then I could lay down like a proper subfloor and make like a clean canvas and maybe fix some of the squeaks in the floor. But either way, it looks like super great. I'm just a perfectionist and I want everything to be done right, but it's good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my list. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super brain dead. I don't even know how I had the thought process to get all these words out, but we're done. I'm working 90-hour weeks on this job, but I'm still gonna try and post some vids. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I miss and love you guys. I miss making videos and renovating, but I have more videos coming, so I'll see you soon. Bye.